Our names are Leah and Jessica. This week we are taking buses and trains from Madison, Wisconsin to Missouri.
Good morning.
We are driving to Madison, Wisconsin.
With Sally.
With Sally, a fruit giver.
And then
we're taking a bus to Chicago.
yeah.
Woot, woot,
We're gonna see
woot.
Jessica's grandma, and
My
then
grandma.
we are gonna take a train to St. Louis.
Yeah,
I'm so pumped.
I am mostly pumped.
It's gonna be good.
I'm
We'll
just
have a
excited to
book,
see
we'll
my
have
grandma.
movies. Yeah.
One thing at a time.
Yeah.
Sally's favorite diner. This place is so cute. We love it.
What is this, Jessica?
I don't. It's like a cinnamon French toast.
Cinnamon roll French toast.
Oh my gosh.
It's literally a cinnamon roll, but French toast.
It has frosting on it.
Yeah,
What the
frostings are you can see it on the side.
trash.
Oh my god.
We got here. We got here just on time.
Yeah.
That's loud. And this is our late grandma. Our late grandma is dropping us off, and then my city grandma is gonna pick us up.
Yeah.
Woo! We got the dress. We got our leftover cinnamon thing, and a mystery box.
Gailder.
Woohoo, Coach USA! There's Sally. She's waiting for us. This guy is completely blind. Where are we? We're in Little Italy eating falafel with Grandma, with our city grandma. We're at the world's largest laundromat, and there's birds. And Grandma.
Oh, Boulevard.
She said $20 of quarters, and they just kept coming out. So I just had to put them in my shirt. But then it kept making a noise, so.
Is that it?
I don't know, we have to count them, right?
Aw.
This is the bathroom. It's so big. Oh, Mira. Oh, yeah, look it. Oh, wait, I didn't do it right. It's just my fear when I went to the bathroom was that it would just open and someone would open it without my permission.
I told you so. And I don't want to go back and be told I told you so. So I'm standing there helplessly trying to decide what I should do.
Murky water.
I don't know what. Okay, and then go bring Presley up the side. I mean, she came in here.
I should hug him, you shake his hand, and then...
It's not too late. It's not too late.
Figured out today. I can join in on the walk too.
I think we should just all come down, the 5 of us. Just do it. And
With Presley! With Presley! Let's go, come on! You ready? Sit. Sit. Good boy. What are you? Am I gonna be on the YouTube? Yes. I'm back. My signature in all the vids.
I know. Hey, Erin. Come on, picture. Yeah, probably. You look great.
Thank you.
Halloween kids. One that described it, we put them all around our neighborhood.
Oh, for the baby. We are now headed to McHenry, Illinois. We just saying goodbye to Grandma. There she is. There. Cool, we got karaoke.
Another entertaining episode.
Paradise, and someday you'll pay the price. I know. I've seen it before. Happens all the time. You're digging for gold, we're all behind. You're digging for gold, you're looking away. Someday you'll pay.
Here we go.
Cold as ice, you go what you are. You're as cold as ice. You're cold as ice, I know. Yes, I know.
It's too high now, it's coming up.
You're as cold as ice. Cold as ice, I know. Yes, I know. It's going up. You're as cold as ice. Cold as ice, I know. Yes, I know.
Dad, you know when it's too high for you, you can just not sing it, right?
Well, I didn't realize they're going to be on fucking YouTube. I'm not going to be on van life and shit.
Dad, you're great content.
Long, understand. Have it in mind, honey, you wanna know. Now you feel so fine. Won't you lay it on a picture or video? I wanna know what you're doing after the show.
Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we're back at the lake.